Welcome back to the ACP Introductory Screencast series. In this screencast, we're going to be looking at adding the weekly class calendar to our website. So in the left-hand vertical navigation beneath Action Class Pro, we're going to select Weekly Class Calendar. All right, and it's up. It's telling me that I haven't saved my display preferences, so I'm going to head over to my display preferences, which are here. I'm going to go to Class Calendar, and I'm just going to click Save. And you can see that I've saved it now. I'm going to go back over to my weekly class calendar. You can see that that notification is now gone. So I'm going to select the initial starting location. That's going to be Renton Performing Arts Center. I'm just going to click Launch Preview. You can see that it's showing me all the classes in weekly calendar that are offered here. I can see actually that Sunday is not a day in which performing, I guess, ballet classes are offered. So I'm just going to go back to my display preferences. I'll go to class calendar. And I'm going to turn off Sunday. So I don't need that day. I'm going to click Save. Then I'm going to navigate back to weekly class calendar. Again, I'm going to select Performing Arts Center here. Click Launch Preview. You can see that Sunday is now gone. You can see that the default settings have been applied here. And I am going to copy to the clipboard this shortcode. I'm going to go over here to Pages. I'm going to add a new page. And this is Gutenberg. I'll say class calendar example. And I mean, we're using Gutenberg right here because this is what WordPress ships with by default. You can use whatever you like, such as Elementor or some type of bakery or some template editor, Divi. It's really up to you. ACP will work with whatever. I'm going to add and click Publish. Publish it. Copy. Up here, I'm going to drop it in. And we see that it took a second and it loaded up the classes here. So here are all our classes. If I wanted to do multi-student, I could click second student. I'll say same location. They use programs, they use levels. I'll say creative movement. Not seeing anything assigned to that. Let's say ballet 2. All right, so if you're a guardian or parent and somebody that's enrolling students for multiple classes and you see student 1 and student 2 overlapping on a single class, it's a great indicator of, hey, I can get both of my students in the same class. What I'm going to do here, and it's a common thing to do actually, is I'll just select by age. I'll say I have a 6-year-old, I have an 8-year-old. What classes can I put them in that they'll be in at the same time? And it looks like there's 2 options here. There's a 9 a.m. Saturday class, and there's a 5:45 p.m. Wednesday class. And then at this point, I would just go ahead and click Enroll. That would take me over to the iClass Pro portal. This is just how simple it is. All right.